most commonly misdiagnosed things on a vehicle is a bad starter. And let me tell you why. This vehicle over here, client come out and the vehicle wouldn't start. They assumed that the starter was bad. Now, being the professional that I am and as thorough as I am, I have a series of tests that I do. Upon walk up, click, click, do I hear a light come on? Do I hear a horn? Do I hear anything audible? Hop in on the inside, turn the lights on. Do the lights illuminate? Does the dash show me anything? No, it was dead. I came here and put out a multimeter, checked. We were sitting at like 2.5 volts. Put the jump pack on it, still showed around 2.5 volts. Turn the key off, make sure it's off. Start, turn the jump pack to the on position to get the juices flowing. Then we went in, turned the key to the on position. Everything was illuminated, vehicle started right up. And the charging system's working properly. Now, this is your most commonly misdiagnosed issue for a vehicle is the no start. People think it's a starter just because the vehicle won't start. Now, this situation here, he just needs a battery. That's it and that's all. Guys, make sure when you're hiring a professional, make sure you get someone who actually cares about you at the end of the day.